You don't need to go to Times Square to watch the ball drop. Get this look and you will be the ball. Hey guys, it's Cam and welcome back to my channel. So today we have a little special visitor. This is my baby Binky, and he just wants to sit here for me filming this intro and outro, and so he's shy. Okay, so he's just gonna chill here while I talk about this look today. So New Year's is coming up and I wanted to do something that is very glam, very extra, and just pull out all the stops. And so this is the look that I came up with. Want to sit higher, baby? So I don't know what you guys are doing for New Year's Eve. Comment down below and let me know all about the exciting plans that you have, because I know exactly what I'm gonna do this New Year's Eve, and that's sleep. So midnight, I am probably gonna be in bed, snoozing, dreaming about the new year, and definitely not awake because it's way past my bedtime. Ear scratches. Oh, yes you do. Yes you do. What are you gonna be doing on New Year's Eve? You're gonna be sleeping too, huh? Yeah. And so being in New York, I really don't want to go into Times Square when the ball drops and have to deal with the crowd and waiting and no bathrooms and all of that stuff. But I did want to bring you a look that shines as bright as the ball that's going to drop at midnight. Okay, then we go down. And if you're digging this look, go hit that like button down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I have so much coming your way, you don't want to miss it. Okay, so let's get started. And I'm gonna start with my Maybelline Superstay Foundation, and I'm just applying this with a damp sponge. If I'm extra jolly in this video, it's because I'm listening to Christmas music, so now you know. And I'm just gonna blend this in and then apply a second layer wherever I feel like I need extra coverage, even though this is full coverage. I just need more. So now with the NYX HD Concealer, I'm just going to put this under my eyes a little bit and around my nose, and then just blend it in with the same sponge. Now I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Translucent Powder, and I'm just applying this under my eyes, around my nose, and to set the lid where I really want that poreless finish. Now with the Wet n Wild Bronzer in Reserve Your Cabana, I'm setting the rest of my face. Then with the Makeup Revolution Illuminating Setting Spray, I am just going to spray my face with this to dampen it a little bit. Now I'm taking my beloved Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Bronzer, and I'm applying this to my cheekbones and a little bit to my hairline. Now with the e.l.f. Contour Palette, I'm going to take the darkest shade because I want a really nice dramatic contour under my cheekbones and around my nose a little bit. Now I'm taking the e.l.f. blush in the color Gotta Glow, and this is a really good NARS Albatross highlight dupe, and I'm just applying this to my cheekbones and the high points of my face. Now with my Morphe 8C blush palette, I am going to use the color It Girl and just apply that to my cheeks because I want a fairly neutral blush since the eyes are going to be very dramatic and even the lips are a little bit dramatic. And then I'm just setting that again. Now I'm taking the Sigma Brow Powder Duo in the color Light, but I am using the darker shade out of the two, and I am just going to fill in my eyebrows with a small angled brush. Now I'm using the Too Faced Pretty Rich palette again, same as my last video, which I'm going to link for you. And I'm taking Fancy That on my Sigma E40 and just applying that as my transition shade. It's the cooler of the transition shades in the palette, so it's really going to help blend the cool tones in this eye look out. Now I'm taking Silver Spoon on my Sigma E25 brush, and I'm blending that just under that transition shade and really trying to blend it into it while still having a little bit of that brown color popping out from underneath. And then I'm using my E20 to blend that on the lower lash line as well. Next, I'm taking Kohl Under Pressure on my Sigma E30 brush, and I'm really packing this in the outer corner to try to get a lot of pigmentation out of this black color. And then with the E25, I am blending this out. And so I wanted to show you kind of the process that I had to go through, where I kept packing and then blending and repacking and blending to get the intensity without it being really messy. And also I had no fallout from any of the eyeshadow that I used today. So that's great, because of course I did my base first. And then with that same highlighter shade, I'm putting that in the inner corner and on my brow bone. Next, I am taking one of my favorite eyeshadows, the Stila Glitter and Glow, and this is in the color Diamond Dust. And I am just really layering this on my lid, fading it out a little bit once I get to the outer corner, and really trying to use this applicator tip to carve out my lid. And then I'm blending out the outer edges with my finger. And while that's a little damp, I am taking Diamond Life from the palette and just applying it over it to give it a multi-dimensional sparkle. Then with the black shade again on my Sigma E45, I'm just applying that to the outer corner again to help blend out the glitter eyeshadow. And also this is really beautiful because it has glitter particles in it, so it's not like a flat black color as well. And I'm also going to apply that same shade on my lower lash line with the Morphe M165 brush, and then just blending it out with my E20 brush. Now I'm going to do a thin line with my Essence Super Precise eyeliner. I'm not doing a wing or anything. This is just because I don't like gluing false lashes on top of glitter, because I feel like it kind of ruins the false lashes for later, so I just want to create a buffer with eyeliner there. So I am just layering this and covering up the glitter a little bit on my lash line. Then I'm taking my Makeup Forever Aqua XL liner in the black shade, although right now it's looking like an extra small instead of an XL. And I'm just using this on my waterline to make it extra smoky. Then I'm using the L'Oreal Voluminous Million Lashes Mascara just on my bottom and top lashes. I'm going to put false lashes on anyway, but this is just to help blend them. And then for my lashes, I am using the Eylure Vegas Nail Lashes in Grand Glamour. These are very dramatic, and I did apply them off camera. So now with the Ciate Glitter Flip lipstick in the shade Candy, I'm applying this to my lips. And the really cool thing about this is that it goes on as kind of like a matte liquid lip color, but you have to like wait a couple minutes for it to dry. It does say like 1 to 2 minutes. And what it does is you press your lips together and it just like releases a bunch of glitter. So I'm waiting now, and I am then pressing my lips together to try to get it to flip and essentially release all the glitter. And so that's it. I'm officially glammed out. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. And if you did, don't forget to click that like button down below, subscribe, and leave me a comment, because I just want to live vicariously through you. So yeah, tell me what you're doing for New Year's. And you know what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing. And also, if you're still here, here's 2 more videos by me you can check out. And of course, don't forget to click on my face to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on all my future videos. I love you all, and I'll see you in my next video, and I hope you have a great new year. And if you've watched this far in, I'm gonna let you in on a little secret, which is that I have a new series coming up after the new year that you're not gonna wanna miss, so make sure to subscribe and check that out.